Hey everyone, welcome back to Trend TV, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today we're diving into Xiaomi's highly anticipated Mix Fold 4, the next-gen foldable that's creating a buzz in the smartphone world. We'll cover its features, design, specs, and of course the expected release date. So let's get started.
Xiaomi is known for pushing boundaries, and the Mix Fold 4 is no exception. Leaks suggest a sleeker, lighter design compared to its predecessor, the Mix Fold 3. It's rumored to feature a sturdier hinge system and an ultra-slim profile, making it one of the most portable foldables on the market.
Plus, Xiaomi is expected to introduce a more durable display with improved crease management, bringing us closer to that seamless foldable experience we all want.
The Mix Fold 4 is rumored to feature a dual AMOLED display setup, a 6.5-inch outer screen and an 8.1-inch inner display when unfolded. Both screens are expected to support 120Hz refresh rates, delivering buttery-smooth visuals.
And let's talk performance. With Xiaomi likely to pack in the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, this device will handle multitasking and gaming like a pro.
Xiaomi is stepping up the camera game with a triple-lens setup on the back, featuring a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. For selfie lovers, the front will likely sport a 32-megapixel camera, perfect for crisp video calls and photos. Battery life is crucial for foldables, and the Mix Fold 4 doesn't disappoint. Expect a 4,800 mAh battery with 120-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. And on the software side, Xiaomi's custom MIUI Fold interface promises a smooth, foldable-friendly experience.
So, when can we get our hands on it? The Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 is expected to launch in early Q2 2025, with a global rollout shortly after. Pricing rumors suggest it'll start around $1,800, competitive for a premium foldable. And there you have it, everything we know so far about the Xiaomi Mix Fold 4. Are you excited about Xiaomi's latest foldable? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.